Place the tape on the spool holder. Thread the tape through this setup and press it onto the device. Pull the tape slightly, then loop it around the outermost column with the adhesive side facing outward. Afterward, loop it around the next column, pass it under, hold it in place, and then release the column to open slightly. Finally, pull the tape from below to complete the setup. After starting the machine, the first step is to adjust this position. Place the foam box at this position, then adjust the handle, which is adjustable, to match the size of the foam box so that it fits through easily. The second step is to switch to manual mode. In the parameter interface, find the test run option and click it to check if the box is centered in the fixture. If it is not centered, adjust the delay option, box clamping delay, and set the delay time to center it. The third step is to switch to the manual interface, click the lifting option to raise the box, then clamp the box. After that, activate the press plate cylinder, followed by the tape cylinder. And finally rotate the box to apply the tape to the foam box. The fourth step is to go to the back of the machine. By now, the box has already been adjusted to the tape application position. Check if the position is correct. If not, adjust the height to the appropriate position. Then, make sure the tape is applied correctly to the foam box. After adjusting this area, return to the screen and cancel the tape cylinder, press plate, and box clamp options. But keep the lifting cylinder option active. Then return to the main interface, switch from manual mode back to automatic, and press reset. After resetting, you can place the box in position and start the machine.